Friends, today we will be discuss about basic operation on sets. First one is union of sets, intersection of sets, and last one is difference of sets. So let us start first. Union of sets. So there are two sets, sets A and set B. Union means we have to write the all elements of two sets or more than two sets in a single sets. What is a union? Union means we have to write the all elements of two or more sets in a single set. Okay. So suppose union, that is a set union. This is a symbol of union. B, A union B is equal to, first we have to write the set A. What is in set A? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next we have to write the union symbol. Union, this is a cap. We can say that, not cap, cup. We have to say cup. So this is symbol of union, U. Next we have to write the second set, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. There are two sets. Union means we have to write all elements, and repeating numbers we have to write one time only. So what is the union? A union B is equal to, what will be? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next there are 3 and 4 in both sets, so we have to write only one time, 3 and 4. Next 5, 6. This is union. Union means combine the set. Okay. Next one is intersection of sets. Okay. So there are two sets, A and B. Okay, this is symbol of intersection. We can say cup. This is a symbol of intersection. So what is the intersection of A and B? A intersection B. Intersection means there are two sets. We have to write common elements from the two sets. Okay. So first we have to write set A. What is set A? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next symbol we have to write the intersection. Next B, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 6. So which one is common in both set? There are 3 and 4. Intersection means we have to write the common elements or common number which one is given in both two sets. Okay na? So what is the intersection? There are two elements only common, 3 and 4. We have to write 3, 4 only. So this is a intersection of two sets. Next one is difference of two sets. Difference of two sets. So suppose A minus B. What is the mean of A minus B? We have to write the elements of A which is not in set B. What is the A minus B means? We have to write the elements of A which is not in B. Okay. So first we write the A, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus symbol. B means 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are two sets, A and A minus B. What is A minus B? We have to write the elements of A, only elements of A which is not in B. Which one is elements of A belongs to B? 3 and 4. So we have to write elements of A which is not belongs to B. So which one not belongs to B of A set? So there are only 1 and 2. So this is a difference of A minus B. Okay na? If you want to write B minus A, B minus A. So first you write the B. What is the B? 3, 4, 5, 6 minus A. What is the A? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here is also we have to write the elements of B which is not belongs to A. Which elements of B belongs to A? 3, 4. 3, 4. So we have to write elements of B which is not belongs to A, which is no in A. So there are 5 and 6 only. 5 and 6. Okay. So this is a basic operation of sets: union, intersection and difference of sets.